YouTube, what's going on? Todd once again with another video, and today's question is quite weird, but it's a solid question. Is it possible to make money online or offline, or make money in general from your car? So there are ways you can make money driving a car with Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, Uber Eats. You can make money with a car. You can rent your car out to people. You can lease your car to people. Um, you could come a carpool as far as driving the car, but I'm just sitting in the car itself with doing nothing. Only thing that I can think of you could do is produce content on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. You could create content on your blog as well from your cell phone. But the only way you make money from that's just from your car. Now your car is souped up with huge rims and paint job and all the bells and whistles. You put out money into the car. You go to a car show, and you would participate in the car show and have grand prizes. You could probably make money that way, but I don't think this person was going lean towards that. I'm talking about an everyday person with a Toyota Corolla or something like that. How can they make money from their car? And one way is create YouTube videos. I'm shooting this video of my car is running because I have the AC on because it's hot outside, but I'm making a video, and that will make money. I can write a blog post from here. I create content on Instagram on here. I can run an ad on my phone. But you gonna need some kind of device to make money from. You can't just sit in the car and think money's gonna pour on you unless you do something outside your car. But I'm talking about sit in your car right now with, you're not driving it. How can you make money? Well, YouTube, blogging, posting content on social media, Instagram, Facebook, writing articles on Medium, posting your blog, write an email to email list, you can order traffic online. That's just some stuff you can do. What I really do in my car is shoot videos. I'm at work, I'm on my lunch break, and I shoot content in my car. That's the way I do it. I'm not driving the car, I'm gonna sit in the car. And I'll also drive for Uber on the weekend. So that's another way my car can make me money. I write blog posts in my car sometimes. And me and my wife are driving out of town, and we're going 4-hour drive. She'll drive half, I'll drive the second half. I'm chilling, not driving. I'm writing content in the car while we're driving, traveling. So you can use a lot of ways to make money from your car, but you'll need a cell phone, maybe a laptop with a device that give you Wi-Fi, hotspot, and you can send your car and make money that way. But not much you can do. Just post content, really. So that's it for my video. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, please like the video. And I'll see you next time.